to be here.
I got so much to say, never thought it would end this way. I've had so many thoughts spinning in my head. I wanna right my wrongs, never thought they would do such harm. You got so many reasons spinning in your head. That's why you left. Indispensable pain in your chest. Leave us for the best or you would break. That is why you left without a text. I miss you, babe. I'm forgiving everything that we said when we were drunk. It doesn't matter 'cause it all came from. Can't be too late. Been missing everything that we had. I'll miss you, babe.
So I need to take a taxi to my man's apartment, and then I think I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
문이 닫힙니다.
7-Eleven open 24 hours. Let's take a taxi. Guys, it's 7 p.m. so it's gonna be dinner instead of lunch. The weather is so nice. The sun is out.
Jetzt kann den ganz
Here I am, I'm lost again, deafened by the silence. Uncomfortable.
요거든 예? 조이스
Okay.
예, 갈비탕
Galbita.
요거
Ah.
픽처
오케이.
오케이 공깃밥 요거 이렇게 시키면 돼. 그
Okay.
다음에 이제 이건 후식 이거는
Water.
누들 테라 투 테라 완
Comfort zones, damn, damn. We're settling for less when we both want more. Damn, damn. No, we can stay, no, won't stay in this pain. Gotta get out there, make a change. Guess we're stuck in our comfort zones. Damn, damn. Feeling safe when bottom breaks, when you bleeding. Yeah, 'cause everything
I understand why it's kind of garden more than eating garden is supposed to be. Guys, I am so full, and if you know Korean, you know what a Korea liwa. We had everything we needed on the menu. We had drinks, we had meat, and we got sides for free. So if you want to come here, you're gonna get sides for free. You kimchi, whatever Korean side that you want. So yeah, I am happy to be here. I had one of the nicest Korean dinner, and I'm so happy. And tomorrow will be Sunday. I don't think I'm going to vlog tomorrow. We don't have anything planned for tomorrow. I just want to clean my men's apartment, and then on Monday I have to go back to Jeonju. But for now, like this video. If you live in Jeonju, come to Garam restaurant, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Good morning, guys. I just finished a very nice service now online, and as you can see my background, I'm at my men's place. I'm so hungry. Yes, I'm done live. So I'm gonna take a shower right now and then go have lunch.
You went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go, 'cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Early mornings in your bedroom, waking up with you by my side, looking so beautiful. Yeah, I got high when I met you, got me way up in the clouds, and I don't wanna go there, 'cause baby I got problems in me.
Guys, I have some companies to unbox with you. But before I want to show you my new baby. Here's my new baby that my baby got for me. A tiny plant that couldn't even survive a few hours at basin. Let me try to take it out. I need plants mom to welcome me in the hood. For now, I'll put it back here. And then I got 2 PRs this week. Yo guys, I really love this chapter of my latte. Always come back to something every week. I literally any PRs. So the first PR I got is diffuser. That's a young cool again. They know what's our last time diffuser in Daiso. I usually buy diffusers at Daiso. And now I have this big baby right here. That's the only one. If I'm not laying layers. Oh yeah. It's a little bit similar to this one. Lena Benkinayo. Can't even recall it was getting, but I bought it from Daiso. So now I have another one to replace it. I got a bigger size. Love it. And then the second PR we have this week, I got sun creams. I hope they're gonna last me the whole summer. I got sun creams and after right on time. Kushisa Ecorini. Ooh, the packaging is so pretty. The packaging is so pretty. This is from age 20s. I don't know if you guys know, but if you live in Korea and you're a black girl, you're looking for dark skin foundations, you can find them from this brand. I'm gonna put it on my screen. It's one of the biggest skincare brands in Korea. I got maybe 2, maybe 4. You will never know. Korea always have surprises. Barcelona Bang Bonese 2 types of sun creams. I cannot open it right now since I still have to make a TikTok video. But look at the packaging, guys. It says break the sun, which means no sunburn this summer. We are going to maintain this glass skin. Break only when you are ready to film, so I cannot open it right now. I'm not going to film now. For like a week or 2. It works for my skin, and I hope it's gonna work for my skin, guys. One thing I've realized about Korean sun creams, they are very sensitive to my skin, so I'm still searching for sun cream that works better for my skin. I think my skin type is oily, but sometimes combination is really depend on the season. Let me put it here. Let me try to clean these boxes. Guys, before I close off this vlog, I just want to say thank you so much for the love you showed me on my Jeonju vlog. I got over 200 new subscribers from that vlog, and I got 200 likes for the first time. We are currently on 8k views, and I know we're gonna end this week with 9k views. And again, by the time you see this video, it goes after 3 weeks, because I always have 2 vlogs in advance, which really helped me to be consistent on YouTube. I am filming this vlog day 15 in May, but I'm going to post it on the first weekend of June, because I already have 2 vlogs that I'm going to post in advance. And by the time maybe you guys watch this vlog, this is obviously with 10k views on my Jeonju vlog. I just want to say thank you so much. And to my new subscribers, welcome. I hope you love it here. My name is Sine, and this is my 4th year in Korea. And on this channel, I'm sharing my life experiences while I live in Korea. I post a lot of vlogs, I post traveling, I post about skincare, I post lifestyle vlogs in general about anything and everything. And if you have questions about coming to teach English in Korea, I already have a vlog that I posted 1 year ago. But I also feel like it's updated, guys. Everything has changed. I moved to Korea during COVID season, during quarantine season, and a lot of things have changed. So I think I need to find new information and make an updated video for those who still want to come to Korea. I'm going to end this vlog right now. Thank you again so much for subscribing, for liking, for always engaging on my content. I really appreciate it, and I see you guys all the time. I will see you on the next vlog.